guys, how are you doing? This is your girl. My name is Portia. If you are a returning sub B, welcome back. If you are new on the channel, you're welcome also. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. I thank you for the love that you showed me. Like me, and you love anything that has to do with home decor, interior styling, but obviously on a budget, then this is your channel. Subscribe, hit the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. So on today's video, we are doing a quick DIY on your hat hanger. As the days are becoming warmer and soon to be very hot, we will be wearing our hats, and your hats are somewhere in on the wardrobe, squashed somewhere. This will come in handy for you. So keep on watching. So before I waste any more of your time, guys, let me get to it. Enjoy the video. So the items that we're going to need for this quick DIY is a hammer, some pegs, wool, a twig, a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and I also used some leather strips. So we hammered the nail on the wall. I took the wool, tied it on the two ends of the stick, made a triangle so that I was able to hang it on the nail on the wall. I then cut two strips from the leather, and then I put glue on the stick so that they can stick. As the strips had dry, I took the pegs, put some hot glue on it, stuck it on the leather strips. So I have 4 pegs. So what I noticed with the hot glue, it didn't have a strong hold. So as I was putting my hats, they kept on falling. So my advice would be maybe use the hot glue because it dries quicker with E6000, or maybe another adhesive together with the hot glue. So what I did, because I did not have E6000, I took a staple gun and I stapled the pegs on the leather strips for that stronger hold, and it worked. So voila, here is the finished product. If you do decide to try it, please let me know how it goes on the comments section down below. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Till next time.